In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Firefox browser theme color from dark mode to light mode. So if you're tired of dark mode, or maybe your Firefox browser adapted your computer system color, which is dark mode, then let me show you how you can switch this to light mode. And the first thing you need to do is to go to menu here and then tap on it. Under this, look for the option called settings. Now under settings, select the option called general, and here's general. Then scroll down until you get to the option called language and appearance. So currently our theme is set to dark, but I like it to be on light mode. So if I go ahead and tap on light mode, you can see the theme has changed to light mode. However, on top here, it is still dark. If I go ahead and choose automatic, it will still again turn to total darkness. But look at this light. If I go ahead and choose this light, as you can see, we have light here and dark here. And if I open a new tab, you can see the light mode is selective. So to make sure that everything is in light mode, go ahead and tap on this automatic, and then go and tap on this extension and theme. From here, you can see the system theme is enabled and my system theme is dark, and that's why it is still in dark mode. So to revert the browser to light mode, I'll have to go ahead and look for light, the light theme, which is this, and then tap on enable. So if I tap on enable, now you can see everything has been turned to light mode. So that's how you change your Firefox theme from dark mode to light mode. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.